Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I just went to Dollarama and the thrift store. I wanted to go to Dollarama just to get chocolate. Like, I had cravings. It's the time of the month, you know, I want chocolate, and I ended up staying longer and ended up with more stuff than I anticipated. And then I wanted to go try the thrift store and see what I can find. Yeah, if you want to see what I bought, then keep on watching. Okay, so why did I go to Dollarama? I was craving chocolate, and what I usually get is Toblerone. I love Toblerone. So I got 2 of these, but then it just quickly evolved and I just bought more stuff. Like, for instance, this. Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. Cool Water Lily. 15 individually wrapped wipes. So I thought this is great because when I go to the gym and I don't want to use the showers, or then I just use these to just freshen up. Curious now, how big are they? I wonder if it smells good too. Oh, they're very small. Expecting something bigger. Is that gonna fit your body? Like, I would need to use like 5 of these to clean my body, all over body. That was interesting. Yes. I bought surface sanitizing wipes. Now this one I'm going to bring to the gym. I don't like running back and forth to the towel stands. I go to Econo Fitness and they have these, you know, disinfecting stations, and I don't want to go back and forth spritzing. I bring this along and I just do disinfect pre and after my workout. So fresh scent kills 99.9% of germs. So I like this because this was like $2. You know, there's surprising things you can find at Dollarama, like at crazy prices. Like, for instance, this Aveda, you know how expensive Aveda is? I have an Aveda paddle brush. Aveda paddle brush. You know? Hint it?
What is that?
It's an Aveda paddle brush. Aveda. What does that mean? You don't like it? Do you want it?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know. What's the big? Is it brush?
Yeah, because you always use mine. $4. This looks legit. Really nice. Yes, look at this. Yeah, this does not feel cheap. This is nice. It's like, oh, I love this. What else did I get? Before COVID, I'm a little OCD. I disinfect my hands and tables, my keys, whatever. I always had wipes in my purse. In every purse, I've always had wipes or hand wipes. It didn't necessarily have to be disinfectant wipes, but now, you know, because of COVID, I'm just carrying these all over, like just in my car, in all of my purses. And they came up with this Lysol one, but it's pretty expensive. Like, there's like only 25 wipes for like $2.50. How much? Yeah, carry this. It kills the viruses that cause COVID-19. And so this is the Lysol brand. So I bring this everywhere. I love Puffs. Not the chips. Is there a chips that's called Puffs? No, the tissue box. The tissue brand, the tissue brand. Plus Lotion Vicks. So I love these when I have a cold during the winter months. I tend to have sniffly nose, and these are soft and they have Vicks in them. So it's soothing and it, you know, relieves my stuffy nose. So I have this at my bedside and in the car. All right, next up. Oh, hair products. You can find great hair products over there for much less. Like this L'Oreal Magic Shampoo Invisible Dry Shampoo. I'm a sucker for dry shampoo. I always want a dry shampoo that will refresh my hair, remove that, you know, not just the grease, but the smell, the odors from like cooking and sweat, whatever. So let's try this. This one it's called Citrus Wave. Refreshes hair without water, volumizes at the roots, and no white residue. Let's see. This is what I usually do. Excuse me. I think I inhaled it. God, too much. Oh, it smells good. Well, I don't find that dry shampoo really. Oh, it does volumize. Maybe this one does, but yeah. This one really makes my hair smell good. Yeah. Wait. Does it really remove? Because I was cooking meatballs and I think it does remove the smell. Because my hair smelled like barbecue. It does remove it. Okay, so this is pretty good. Well, this was $4 instead of paying like the usual, what, $8 to $12. I didn't need this, but I'm always a sucker for mugs. And I thought this was cute. So a $3 mug that says, first I drink the coffee, then I do the things. I just thought it was cute. I like mugs. So, right. Next up, what did I get? Oh, magnetic clips. This is one thing I've been telling myself to get is, so I could cover the chips and whatever unopened bags and keep them fresh longer, is having these little clips and these ones have magnets, so I could just, put them in the fridge. How convenient. Oh, this was the initial thing, chocolates. And then I said, okay, the other second need that I need to get is laundry washing bags. Now, everyone should have this because this will protect your underwear and your bras, all your delicates from snagging onto other, the zippers of clothes, Oh yeah, it is good quality. Yeah, so this was was this $1.50? No, $2. So it's good to have several of these. I put, one bag for bras, the second bag for underwears, and it keeps them, you put them in the laundry and they do not fall apart. All right. Oh, okay, this was not at the Dollarama, but I went to Jean Coutu and I found these masks that look, that have that like a Burberry print for $4.99, and it's level 3. Usually I wear my disposable mask, but sometimes it's very hard to breathe in. So oh my God, this is nice. It really has Burberry vibes all over it. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Right? Stylish, functional. Love it. So this was at Jean Coutu on Sherbrooke. Oh, I should buy more of these. And now, what I got at the thrift store. So usually, it's September. I like to go shopping for sweaters, getting ready for sweater weather. So I found 2 sweaters, and they're from H&M. So this is clean. I already washed it. I'm so eager to wear it. So this is an off-the-shoulder H&M sweater. I don't care if it's from last season. I am crazy about off-the-shoulder sweaters, and it's like for $6.50. So my kids and I love going thrifting because it's economical, and we're helping with the environment. We're recycling, reusing, practicing sustainability. And I also got this other H&M sweater, which is more knitted, so I love it. It's gonna go well with my leggings and my jeans. So $6. So for both of these sweaters, $13. It's great. And so that's it for my little haul. So I'll see you next time. And don't forget to, like, share, subscribe.